Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Fine? Safe and healthy, right? You must be taking care of yourself and your parents also. Yes? Very good. Now, today we are going to learn lesson number 6, part 2. Yesterday we have learned part 1 of the same lesson. Okay? Before we start part 2, we'll have a quick recap. Okay, children? Yes, we have learned nomadic life of a Stone Age man. Yes. Now, what is nomadic life? Stone Age man, they used to wander from place to place in search of food. They used to hunt animals. Okay. They used to eat fruit, bulbs, or root of a plant. Yes. Uh, they used to wander from place to place in search of a shelter also. Okay. Now, after many years, when they learned farming, okay, after few years they learned farming, okay, then they found suitable land and water. So then they started building houses, okay, with the help of uh, wooden plank or wooden sticks. Okay, they started building their houses using wooden sticks, wooden planks. Many people, same like that, they started building houses and their houses were closer by. Okay, so like that settlements took place, and when these settlements grow bigger, villages formed. Okay, this is how there is a formation of villages took place. Understood, children? Yeah, this we have learned yesterday. Now we will learn part 2 of the same lesson. Yes, before we start explaining, I want you all to repeat new words after me and I will tell you the meaning also. Monuments, monuments. Monuments, monuments. Means a building or a statue built in the memory of a person. Okay, for example, statue of a Shivaji Maharaj or Gateway of India. Okay, these are called as monuments. Yes. Caves, caves, caves. Repeat after me. Caves, caves. Caves means a natural space, okay, which is created naturally. For example, Ajanta Ellora caves, you must have heard. Okay, and Elephanta caves also. Okay, all these pictures I'm going to show you, okay, when I will start actual explanation. Okay, yes. Now, mosque. Mosques, mosque. Mosques, mosques. Mosque means Muslims religious place. Okay, as we go to the temple, Muslims go to the mosque. Okay. Memorials, memorials, memorials. Memorials, memorials. Memorials means nothing but the monuments only which are built in the memory of a person. Same like that. Okay. Yes. Next, forts. 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 Forts means a strong building which is built or used for a defense. Okay. For example, Shivaji Maharaj used to watch enemy from his forts. Okay. He used to plan defense activities. Okay. From forts. Fort Raigad, Fort Torana, Fort Kondhana. These are well-known forts. Okay. Yes. Understood, children? Richness. 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 Richness means wealth or property, we can say. Okay. Treasures. 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 Treasures means nothing but again property, you can say, or wealth. Okay, treasures. Then responsibility. Fine. I hope this is clear to you all. Responsibility. 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 Big spelling, no? Responsibility. Responsibility. Responsibility means duty. Okay, in the class, monitors, they get responsibility of minding the class by the teacher. Yes or no? Duty. Okay. Yes. Famous. 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 Famous means well known. Okay. For example, children in a school, some children, they get the prizes in different competitions there, then their names are called out again and again, no? So that means he or she being or become famous in the class or in the school. Okay, well known. Clear, children? Yes. Religious. 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 Religious means having a strong belief in God. Okay, religious means having a strong belief in God. Okay, children, I hope this is clear. Yeah, I know these are very difficult spellings, difficult words, but once you know the meanings and once you know the spellings, that are not difficult for you. Yes or no? So you need to learn by heart. Okay. Formerly. 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 Formerly means previous or earlier. Okay. Previous or earlier. Abundance. 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 Abundance means plenty, more than enough. Okay, more. Okay. Excellent. 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 Excellent means a special quality. Okay, or you can say, see, for example, if a person is having beautiful handwriting, we say, no, excellent handwriting. No, special quality. Clear? Good quality of a person. Excellent. Then we say excellent. Fine. Quality. Again, quality is something which is special in a person. Okay. Quality means something which is special in a person or a thing. Clear? Yeah. Some may be good at playing. No, some are good at dancing. So that means they are having some special quality in them. Clear? Quality. 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 Very good, children. I want you all to learn by heart these spellings. Okay? Yes. Now see. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. Okay? People engaged in different kind of work. One person could not do all of them. So work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements. No? see, making wooden implements, this for this farming activities, they need wooden implements, wooden tools. Okay, so people used to make wooden implements. Then repairing them, if they were not working properly, they used to repair them. Weaving cloth. Weaving cloth means making clothes. Okay, yes. Making jewelry and making clay pots. Thus there were artisans engaged in different occupations. Artisans means skilled workers. Okay, this is how many people they used to do different kinds of jobs, you can say, or different kinds of work. See, they are making clothes. These are pots. These are the ancient tools, farming tools, you can say. Okay, ancient. And now these are the modern farming tools, children. Okay, now as man invented some machineries, some tools, no, nowadays we are using this modern techniques, these modern machines for farming. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now, a village, town or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, forts, museums, etc. Okay. A place becomes well known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of a place. See, first I will show you the pictures. See, mosque, museum. Now, what is museum? You know, museum is a building in which the collection of a good work of art or valuable things which are displayed to the public. Okay, children? Yes. This is temple, church, fort. Okay, this is Raigad Fort. Okay, so these are the pictures. These are our treasures, means our property, our wealth. Okay, see, a village, town or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, forts, museums. A place become known by these buildings. Yes or no? Okay, for example, churches, you know, Bandra Fair, that Mount Mary Church, that is well known. Okay, and Bandra Fair is also well known for that. Now see, in my area there is a Kaushalya hospital, so my area is well known for that particular hospital. Okay, or sometimes see, some temple is nearby your area, so your place is or your area is known by that temple. Yes or no, children? Understood? A place becomes known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. Now see, the children, those who are staying nearby our school, no, they must be telling somebody that if somebody asks you, where do you stay? So you must be telling them, no, I stay nearby Shrima High School. Yes or no? That means that place is well known or which is known by the building of a school. Clear, children? A place become known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. That means they tell us about the wealth of that place. Okay? This is mosque, museum, temple, church, Raigad Fort. Okay, they help us to understand our history. Now see, whenever you see the fort, Raigad Fort, okay, what do you recollect? No, you recollect the period of Shivaji's time, Shivaji Maharaj time. Yes or no? Suddenly you go in that period. Yes or no? Okay, that means you remember that period. That period of time. Clear? These buildings are our treasures. These buildings are our wealth. Okay, that is our property. Okay, so they must be protected, as that is, these buildings are our wealth, our property. We need to take care of them. We need to protect it. We need to protect them. Okay, to protect them is our responsibility. Now what is responsibility? Responsibility means duty. Okay, to protect such valuable buildings is our responsibility, is our duty. Is that clear, children? A place may also become famous because of a religious place, fair, or fort. Okay, as I told you, fair, like see, Pandharpur, every year we have that for Ashadi Ekadashi and all. Many Varkaris they go there, and that is why that place is famous. Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Then this Mount Mary Bandra Church, no, that fair is also well known. Clear? So that place is famous because of that building, Mount Mary Church. Clear? For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad Fort. Okay, Raigad district is known for the Raigad Fort. Raigad Fort is there in the Raigad district, so that is why Raigad district is known by that fort. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Now see, while returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, that is Dindori, in Nashik district. Okay, there is a place Dindori in Talegaon, that is in Nashik district. He had set up his army, that is camp, army camp or Tad. Okay, now Tad is a Marathi word, children. Okay, they had set up his army camp. Okay, that is called as Tad. They are giving the place name Talegaon because of that. Tad means what? That is a tent which is built for staying. No, they used to stay for few days, so they used to make some arrangement. Okay, so they built that Tad over there, and so because of that Tad, that place got the name Talegaon. Okay, children. Yes, see once again, while returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, that is Dindori in Nashik district. He had set up his army camp or Tad there, giving the place name Talegaon. Okay, see, this is called as Tad or tent which is built. Okay. Dhamangao part in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly there was an abundance of dhaman trees there. Okay, Dhamangao part in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly, previously or earlier, there was an abundance of dhaman trees. Abundance means plenty, more than enough. There were dhaman trees. Okay, so because of that, their dhaman trees were in plenty or in abundance of the dhaman trees. That place is known by that tree. Clear? See this one. This tree is dhaman tree, and the snakes also called as dhaman. Dhaman means large snake, you can say. Okay, dhaman means large snake. Okay, children. See, this is dhaman tree. Clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. See, once again we'll see. Dhamangao part in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly, earlier, there was an abundance of dhaman trees. Plenty of dhaman trees were there. Clear? There is a village called Ashti Dhotar Zodachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna district. Okay, which taluka? Partur Taluka of Jalna district, and a village called Ashti Dhotar Zodachi. Okay, now why this name? That place got this name. Fine dhotar zodis of excellent quality were made there. Okay, fine dhotar zodis, excellent qualities of dhotar zodis made there. This gave the village its name. Now, for example, see Paithani sari, you must be knowing, no? Yes, ha. So that is why that Python got name from that Paithani saris. Okay, children. Same like that, this village Ashti Dhotar Zodachi got the name from excellent qualities of dhotar zodis. Okay, see, I'll show you what is dhotar zodi. See, your grandfather must be wearing this dhotar. Yes? No? Yes. This is dhotar zodi, we say. See, this man is wearing dhotar. And what is dhotar zodi means? Along with that dhotar, that uparna comes. Okay, See, this is the pair of dhotar. We call it as dhotar zodi. Okay, see, this is dhotar and this is a pair of, that means dhotar zodi. Clear? That man is wearing that on his shoulder, around his shoulder, that is called as uparna. Clear, children? See, once again, there is a village called Ashti Dhotar Zodachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna district. Fine dhotar zodis of excellent quality were made there. This gave the village its name. Okay, children? This is how some places got names. Yes. So now, today we will learn till this much part only. In the next part, we will go further. Till then, bye children. Okay, see these videos again and again. Okay, and keep practicing. Till then, bye.